Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic, shortcut keys in Excel. In this lesson we will use Ctrl plus keys from A to F. How to use Ctrl keys with different alphabets. In this lesson you see we use Ctrl plus A, B, C, D, E and F. How to use Ctrl plus A. If we do Ctrl plus A, then what is happen in Excel? For example, when we use Ctrl A, then select complete screen. For example, I use Ctrl and I select the key Ctrl. I press the key Ctrl with A button, then all data will select. I press Ctrl button and press A, then all data, complete data will select. Ctrl A. If I do Ctrl B, if I press Ctrl plus B in any cell like this, Ctrl B, the data becomes bold. If I press here Ctrl B, here you see the result, the data become bold. Here you see the data become bold. If you undo the bold, press again Ctrl B, its bold becomes remove. Its bold becomes remove. Its bold becomes remove. And what is the purpose of Ctrl C? Ctrl C, when we press Ctrl C, its impact is copy the data. If I want to copy this cell data, I press Ctrl C. It means this shows the data has copied. I paste it here, Ctrl V. Here Ctrl V. You see the data has copied by Ctrl C button. And what is the purpose of Ctrl D? The same data comes that's showing it above cell. The purpose of Ctrl D, if here is showing, I press escape here. Now you see nothing is showing here, nothing is data copy. The purpose of Ctrl D, something right here, we are learning Excel. What is the purpose of Ctrl D? If I want the same thing, the same text comes right down, I don't need to type again. I just press Ctrl D, same text comes. I press Ctrl D. If I write here learning English, I press Ctrl D, the above data comes automatically by using Ctrl D. And what is the purpose of Ctrl F? The finding text. If you want to find a specific text in your Excel sheet, just press Ctrl F, window appear. You just write what do you want to find. I find where is written bold. When I press enter, here you see the data find, text find bold. I remove it, and if I want to search worries, I select it and find next. Okay. I select search comment, find. Here you see comment. I select words, find next. Okay, option, next case, find next. question. I don't know why it is not searching worries. I will check it, and it's the purpose. You find the reason why it is not finding worries word. Why it is not worries? Okay, you may find the reason why it is not find the word worries. And what is the purpose of using Ctrl E? You search in Google what is the purpose of using Ctrl E and tell me in comment section. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you may freely discuss. Thank you so much.